What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear your chats on WhatsApp Messenger. So what I mean by that is these chats, okay, the following that I'm highlighting right now, okay, all of them from all WhatsApp contacts, okay, I want to delete all of them, okay. So you can do that by pressing just one button and it will delete all your conversations, okay, not your contacts. It will delete the chats, the following that I'm highlighting, okay. So instead of deleting each of them by tapping on the delete button right here, okay, there is one button to clear all of them. So what you have to do is head over to the settings, to the three-dot menu right here on the top right of the page, tap on it and tap on settings. In here you tap on chats right here and tap on chat history, and here you're gonna see clear all chats right here, okay. So you tap on clear all chats and it will ask you if you want to clear all messages, if you want to cancel that, or if you want to clear all except starred. So you probably have messages that are starred on WhatsApp on your contacts, so you can clear all of them except your starred messages, okay. Or you can clear all the messages, so to remove all the messages from all of your contacts, okay. So let's just say clear all except starred, for example. So clear, okay, and here all the messages are cleared except my starred messages. So here you can see there are no messages on all of the contacts. So the starred, what I mean by starred is, so this message, for example, you can see the star icon enabled on the top right here, okay. Those are the important messages that I want to keep, which are not deleted. And again, if you want to clear all the messages, even the starred ones, okay, go to settings, chat history, clear all chats, and you tap on clear all messages right here, okay. So that's basically it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like it and please subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments down below what would you like me to show you in my next how-to videos. Thank you for watching and take care.